Good morning, my cherished viewers. Once again, this morning I bring to you the method of, the great method, of forming a polynomial division. Most of you know of the long division as well as the synthetic division, But there's also an additional method that is, you can call it the method 3. And I must let you know that this video is proudly sponsored by the Master Scholars Academy, Jabez, and it's a Tesla One production. Now, to begin with, we have this example on the board. That is, we have x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 7. To perform this division is very simple. We call it the grid method. So we start with drawing lines or drawing our grid. As you can see, now you see x minus 7, so you put your x over here and your negative 7 down here. What you have here is multiplication, and this one is similar to this kind of multiplication table we all used to do when we were growing up, and during class, when you were in class 3, class 4, class 5, where you can have a box, something like a table like this, where you have this. So you have, let's say, times here, you have 1, 2, 3, and let's say 1, 2, 3, and you are asked to get the values for this or these spaces, So 1 times 1 gives you 1, 1 times 2 gives you 2, 1 times 3 gives you 3, and then you come to this point. 1 times 1 gives you 2, 2 times 1 gives you 2, 2 times 2 gives you 4, 2 times 3 gives you 6. Then you come down here, 3 is the same approach. It's not different from what we are going to do with regards to the polynomial, division by method of, the grid method, So with regards to the grid method, as I said, you put your x and then minus 7 here, and then your dividend, your dividend will come here. We first of all start with x to the power 3, as you can see, x to the power 3 is cubed, and that is x squared. So you know that x times x squared gives x cubed, as you can see. Now, after obtaining this, you multiply minus 7 by the x squared, and that gives you minus 7x squared. Then you draw your line. You are creating your grid. Now, in the next stage, look at the next term of the dividend. It is what? 2x squared. If we have 2x squared, then we have 2x squared. We already have minus 7x here. What you should ask yourself is a number, to put here such that when you sum what we have here and that number, it gives you 2x squared. Already we have minus 7x squared, so we can see that 9x squared would be the perfect number. In a sense that 9x squared plus minus 7x squared gives us what? The 2x squared that you see here. It's very simple. Now, you then ask yourself the same question: x times what number here, or what will give you the 9x squared? And it's so clear that when 9x squared is divided by this x, it gives you what? 9x. Again, you multiply the minus 7 here by the 9x, and that gives you minus 63x. You continue with generating your grid, and over here too, as you can see, you have minus 63x. But the next term in this dividend, that is what? Minus 3x. So you are also looking for a number to add up to this minus 63x in order to get what? Minus 3x, as you can see here. And you can see that you realize that the most appropriate will be what? Positive 60x. So positive 60, and you put it in this particular row. And you ask yourself the same question, that 60x divided by x gives us what? 60. Or in other words, x times what number will give you 60x, and that is what? 60. Now after getting your 60, you multiply your minus 7 by the 60, and that gives you minus 420. Okay. Now someone will say you can go on. We are not done, because after minus 3x we have what? We have 4. We have 4, which is the constant of the polynomial. Okay. And so you realize that what number should we add to this minus 420 to give us the positive 4 that we see? If this side is 420, sometimes you see, to get whichever number here, you can do, a rough work somewhere in your answer booklet. Say you have minus 420 plus x, which is equal to what? The 4 you are looking for. Okay, and then you say x is equal to what? 4. This will move to this side. You get 420, and it means that the best answer will be what? 424. It simply means that when you put 424 here, that is positive 424 plus negative 420, that gives you what? The 424. In fact, this will be your remainder. This will be your remainder. It's as simple as ABC. The remainder will be 424, especially when you go through the polynomial division, as in by method of long division. Okay, you do the polynomial division by using the long division method, as I showed in the first video. And so now what we need is what? Is our quotient. Our quotient will be x squared plus 9x plus 60. Okay, that will be our quotient, and our remainder will be what? 424. It's as simple as ABC. You get the same method when you use the synthetic method as well as what? The long division. You can also try. Also know that this is a Tesla 1 production and proudly sponsored by the Master Scholars Academy. Also, I encourage you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you very much.